Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating and motivational story to share with you. We'll be diving into the life of one of the greatest scientists in history, Galileo Galilei. His story is not only inspirational, but also a testament to the power of determination and the pursuit of truth. We've compiled 20 of his most profound quotes that shed light on his genius and his enduring impact on science and human thought. Let's start at the beginning. Galileo Galilei was born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy. He came from a humble background, and despite his family's limited means, his father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician who encouraged young Galileo's intellectual growth. This early support played a crucial role in his future success. As a young man, Galileo demonstrated an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. He attended the University of Pisa, initially studying medicine, but his true passion lay in mathematics and physics. He often conducted experiments, pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Galileo's journey led to some groundbreaking discoveries. He improved the telescope, allowing him to observe celestial bodies with incredible precision. Through his observations, he made significant discoveries, like the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus. These findings provided compelling evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. Galileo's work, however, challenged the prevailing beliefs of the time, which were supported by the Catholic Church. This led to conflict, and he was eventually put on trial by the Inquisition for heresy. His commitment to the truth and his scientific principles led to house arrest, but he never recanted his beliefs. Galileo's story is not just about his scientific achievements, but also his unwavering commitment to his convictions. He knew that seeking the truth was more important than personal comfort or safety. His work laid the foundation for modern astronomy and science. Now let's draw some inspiration from Galileo's life. Despite facing immense pressure and adversity, he never gave up on his quest for knowledge. His dedication to the pursuit of truth is a powerful lesson for all of us. Here are a few key takeaways. 1. Passion and curiosity. Galileo's insatiable curiosity drove him to explore the unknown. Follow your passions and never stop asking questions. 2. Perseverance. Despite facing opposition and hardships, Galileo remained steadfast in his beliefs. Don't be deterred by challenges. Persevere in the face of adversity. 3. Courage. Galileo had the courage to stand up for what he believed in, even when it meant risking his freedom. Sometimes, you need to take a stand for what you know is right. 4. Legacy. Galileo's work continues to influence science and our understanding of the universe. Your contributions to the world can have a lasting impact. Now we will explore 20 of his most profound and thought-provoking quotes that continue to inspire and enlighten us today. So let's embark on this intellectual voyage and uncover the wisdom of one of history's greatest minds. 1. E per se move. And yet it moves. 2. Wine is sunlight, held together by water. 3. Nature is relentless and unchangeable, and it is indifferent as to whether its hidden reasons and actions are understandable to man or not. 4. I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use. 5. All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. 6. Measure what can be measured, and make measurable what cannot be measured. 7. I give infinite thanks to God, who has been pleased to make me the first observer of marvelous things. 8. The telescope reveals to us the possibility of seeing proved things which our ancestors never dreamed of looking at. 9. You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him find it within himself. 10. I do not believe that any type of religion should ever be introduced into the public schools of the United States. 11. In questions of science, the authority of 1,000 is not worth the humble reasoning of a single individual. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through history. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and always seek the truth. Farewell, fellow adventurers. 12. I wish, my dear Kepler, that we might laugh at the extraordinary stupidity of the common herd. What do you have to say about the principal philosophers of this academy who are filled with the stubbornness of an asp and do not want to look at either the planets, the moon, or the telescope, even though I have freely and deliberately offered them the opportunity 1,000 times? 13. The Bible shows the way to go to heaven, not the way the heavens go. 14. I have never met a man so ignorant that I could learn something from him. 15. Nature is relentless and unchangeable, and it is indifferent as to whether its hidden reasons and actions are understandable to man or not. 16. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. 17. Facts which at first seem improbable will, even on scant explanation, drop the cloak which has hidden them and stand forth in naked and simple beauty. 18. I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use. 19. You cannot teach a man anything, you can only help him find it within himself. 20. I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through history. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and always seek the truth. Farewell, fellow adventurers. If you have any other inspiring stories or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious and never stop exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Thank you.